Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the general entries of bills of exchange, that is from the semester 2 first unit. Okay, so in this unit these general entries are somewhat different and which we need to remember first. Okay, if you don't want to remember, just understand. Okay, if you are understanding these general entries, you can perfectly write the bills receivable, because so many people is saying that if you are doing the theory thing like this answer in the first unit, then you can just pass out, because they will give the choice. But my opinion is that at the last semester there was no choice of theory. There was two questions in the ninth question from first unit. There was a two questions. If in this year also they are they are giving the two questions, means you will definitely gonna lose the marks if you are not doing the sums. Okay, so for this, let's start. Okay, so first is transaction. First, when goods are sold by A to B on credit. So on first A account and B account, we have to see the both account. Okay, so the goods are sold by A to B na, so the sales will come on the credit side, right? So it is sold to B, so B is the receiver, so B account data to sales account. Okay, A is selling the goods to B, so B is the receiver, B account to sale account. Like this, opposite only, purchase account to A, because B is purchasing, so purchase account data to from whom? A, so A account. Okay, then when bill is drawn by A and accepted by B. When the bill is drawn, okay, when the bill is drawn by A and accepted by B, it means bills receivable account data to B account. So the money after he is giving the bill, who will receive the money? This A only. So bills receivable account data to B, from whom? B na, so B account. Then opposite, A's account data to bills payable. Obviously, if he is receiving the bill, he will the one who is paying the bill. Okay, then third question, when the bill is retained by A till the due date and it is honor. Okay, so after the payment date, there will be due date also. So within this due date, if the bill is retained, okay, then it is honor, means there will be an entry. So that is cash account. Okay, cash account data, cash is coming into the business. Okay, okay, cash is coming into the business now, cash account data to bills receivable account. Okay, then you will get the doubt why we have wrote bills receivable on the debit side and now we are writing on the credit side, because it is drawn by A and accepted by B. That's why we wrote bills receivable account data to B's account and A's account data to bills payable. But here retain by A till the due date and it is honor. Cash is coming into the business, because it is honor na, cash is coming into the business. Cash account data to bills receivable account. Okay, then bills payable account data to cash account. If you don't understand this concept, you can just simply remember, like if it is drawn like bills receivable to B, A's to payable. If it is honor, instead of okay, just reverse the entries. Okay, reverse the entries, like bills receivable on the debit side, so write credit side. On the B side, like cash account, and both side cash account. If this on this drawn means B and A, write the person name. Okay, in this write cash. Hope you understand. Then fourth question, when the bill is discounted by A with the bank. So bill is there which is discounted by bank. So one thing I want to say you guys, see, bill is discounted, so bill, he is the person, A is the person who is drawing the bill. It is the A entries na, so general entries of A. So A is the person who is discounting the bill with the bank, so B will not get affected. B is the person who have to pay. In this thing, it is a business of A and bank na, so they are just discounting and any other thing they are doing. This is the business of bank and A, so B is not affected, so we will not write the entry on the B's account. So we will write bank account debtor with the actual amount received and discount amount, because if bank is there, so we are getting the discount from the bank now. So on the debit side only, where the bank it is there, bank account discount account debtor to bills receivable account. Okay, then when A endorses the bill to his creditor C. Okay, so what is the meaning of endorses? Endorses means B is a person who is paying the bill now. So what is A is doing means, A is okay, A is a person, B and C. A is the receiver, B is the payer. ठीक है? Then C is the third person. Okay, so A, he is giving the ownership to C, like B has to pay the amount, even this person or this person, and A is saying that he is endorsing the bill to C, he is giving the bill to C, then B have to pay to C only. So this endorse means he and C have done the thing, endorsed the thing. B is not gonna affected, he has to pay either him or him. Okay, so we will not write the entry on the B's account, on A and C account we will do. Now we are doing A and B on C account. Hopefully I will explain about the C account also. Just C and A or B account first. So endorses, we are endorsing the bill to C now. So C is the receiving the bill. Okay, so C's account, and to bills receivable account, C's account debtor to bills receivable account. Okay, endorses to the bill to C's creditor C. Okay, so the C third party name here, and bills receivable account here, no entry. In discounted also no entry in B's account. Then sixth, when A sends the bill to the bank for collection. Okay, so in this we have two things. Okay, when for sending the bill and for accepting the bill, we have to see in the question they will say A send the bill to bank for collection, send the bill, if they are saying the send the bill, then we will write this entry. If they are saying collection, I will show you the next entry also. So bill sent to bank. Okay, bill sent to bank for collection account debtor to bills receivable account. Okay, so on the place of C we are in the place of A we are writing bills receivable account, and where we are sending bills sent to bank for collection. It is so simple. So for sending the bill we have saw this. For accepting bill we have the another entry. See, when the bill is actually collected. Okay, when the bill is sent or actually collected, it is not collected. For that we have the another entry. That is, first what we have write to bill sent to bank for sent to bank and to bills receivable account we have wrote now. In this actually collected time, what will we wrote? Bank account debtor to bills sent to bank for collection. Okay, bank is the receiver, bank account debtor to bills sent to bank for collection we will write. In this no entry. Okay, then when the bill is retired by A before the due date, retired by B before the due date, that is when the acceptor makes the payment before the due date. Okay, so what is this means? B is we have to pay, now he is a payer. So what he is doing, before the due date only he is paying the amount to A. So on this cases what we have to write means, we have to use the word rebate. Okay, cash account. In A's account, A is receiving the cash now, cash is coming into the business, cash account debtor to rebate on the bill we have to write, and bills receivable account. Once you have to see how we have applied this general entries in our sums. If you have any notes, then you can just check. If you anyone don't have the notes of the particular sum or anything, just comment down, I will just share you. Okay, then on the B's account, opposite one. Okay, bills payable account to cash to rebate on bills account. Okay, then we have Dishonor of bill. Till now we have see about the honor of bill. Okay, see here, rated by A till the due date and it is honor, like that we have see. So now we will see the dishonor of bill. Okay, when the bill is retained till the due date and it is dishonor, till the due date it is dishonor means what we will do? B's account data to bills receivable and cash account. Bills receivable account data, B's account data to bills receivable account with the noting charges. Okay, because it got dishonor now, so we will get the noting charges in this thing. Okay, you have to remember, like if he is giving the amount before the due date, we have to write rebate. If the bill is dishonor, okay, it is till the due in the due date only, till the due date it is dishonor means B's account data with the noting charges plus here, then bills receivable account to cash, here also noting charges. Okay, then this side bills account data with amount of bill noting charges, here also. So we have to do the opposite of this also. Just remember this A part ma, you will get the other part also, because it is the opposite of this part only, and some of the part we are not even writing the B's entries. Okay, see, B's account data with the noting charges, bills receivable account with the we have to write cash with the noting charges. Okay, so in place of noting charges we have to write cash. You have to remember this small things, because if you are writing instead of cash you are writing noting charges as it is, means you can just lose the marks. Okay, so you have to remember it. Next, opposite one I have say you. Then 9th question, when the bill is discounted with the bank dishonor on the due date. In this one it was retained till the due date and it is dishonor. Okay, till the due date it was dishonor. And this one means we have seen about the bank discounting, like we have didn't apply that on the B's entry na. Here where it is, yeah, 4th question, when the bill is discounted with the bank, we have wrote here bank account data to discount account, and here we don't wrote anything. So in this, when the bill is discounted with the bank, dishonor on the due date. Okay, so B's account data to bank account with the noting charges. Okay, here we wrote B because it was dishonor na, it was dishonor, that's why we wrote B's account data to bank account. Then same of the above, in this 3 accounts I will say you this also. So bills payable amount to noting charges, then A, we have to wrote the same thing here also in case of discounted with the bank and dishonor, and this also I will explain this, don't worry. B's account data to bank account. In normally discounted, B was not get affected, but in the case of dishonor B got affected. Okay, in this also we write bills account, but here bills receivable and cash we wrote, but in discount bank account, B's account data to bank account. Okay, and same here we have to write the entry on this. Same of the above means this bills payable account data to A we have to write here. When bill is endorsed to C and it is dishonor on the due date. Okay, endorsed to C means A is giving the bill to C na, the B have to pay to C. So what we will write in A's account in case of dishonor means B's account data to C account. Okay, we have to write B's account data to C's account, then noting charges as well. Then same of the above. Okay, payable and A account. Then when the bill sent to bank for collection, dishonor on the due date means sent to bank for collection we have C. See ma, we have already done this type of things here. Okay, but it is mentioned that it is a dishonor. In case of honor, in case of dishonor we have to differentiate, like how we are writing if it is honor, how it is we are writing if it is dishonor, and noting charges how we are writing. like this. If you are doing the sum of this, like 2 or 3 sums, if you are doing by reading this journal entries, then you can definitely get the answer. It is looking somewhat confusing, but it is so easy. Okay, when the bill is sent for bank for collection, it is on the due date. So B's account data to bill sent to bank for collection account it is on credit side, so not data. B's account data to bill sent on collection for collection to bank, and yes, bills payable account data to A's account. Okay, same. Then renewable of the bill. When the bill is drawn by A on B is cancelled. Okay, when the bill is drawn, A has drawn a bill, but B is doing the cancel. He is cancelling the bill. So how we will write B's account data to bills receivable account, and here bills payable account data to A. Okay, in so many cases, most of the answer is similar. Okay, like this. So similar one, just note down in a book. In case in how many cases we are writing the same, in how many cases we are writing the opposite one, and in how many cases we are writing the same of the above, like this only. In how many cases we are not taking the amount to the B's account. If you are writing those, if you are differentiating those, means you can definitely write the 9th question of semester 2 exam. Okay, when interest is charged by A on B. Okay, so if anything happen like late payment is like this, means A will charge the interest. So B have to give now. So B account data to interest account, and interest account data to A's account, opposite. Then when cash is received by A from B as a part of payment. Okay, so full as a part of payment means 10,000 A have to give. From this 10,000 B is giving the 5,000. Okay, 5,000 he is giving. So it is not a full payment but a part of payment. Okay, so when the cash is received by A from B as a part of payment, cash is getting into the business now. So cash account data to B's account. Okay, then A account data to cash account, opposite. Then when new bill is drawn by A on B, bills receivable account data to B's account. In cases like, okay, if A and B is there, so what is happening means B is requesting A to, like it is payment date is on the June 15. Okay, so B is requesting A that I have some emergency, I will pay you the amount on the next month 15, like July 15, just draw a new bill. Okay, so for new bill, like he is saying that he is drawing a new bill. If he didn't say this, means he have to pay the interest, like if he is not giving the amount on the date. Okay, so for the new bill he is requesting. So new bill, when the new bill is drawn by A on B, bills receivable account data to B's account. Okay, bills drawn by A now, new bill, like first entry only we are writing this. In first entry we have second entry, when the bill is drawn by A, bills receivable to B, right? So here also bills receivable to B and A to bills payable. So many entries are similar, just you have to see it. And B account is so easy, so you have to just read this A account perfectly. Only 15 entries is there. If you are sitting for the 30 minutes and you are giving them much time to it, means you will definitely get this. If you understand this, just subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it to your friends also, so that they can also understand. And if you want any other lesson explanation, then that also I will explain you. Okay, so make sure that you have subscribed my channel, as I am a new creator. And thank you so much for watching my video till end.